Hello, dear friends. This is Jeannie from Dollhouse Rescue. I'm in my workshop again tonight, but instead of working, I'm going to do a box opening again. I've got two small boxes to show you, a medium box, and two larger boxes. So let's take a look. I'm just beyond excited to see this stuff. All right, let's look at this. Here's my first item. I've already taken this out of the box. In fact, I've already let my little grandson play with this. We played with it last night. This is a group of Mark's people. They say that these were recast, so I don't know what that means. They had the originals and somehow were able to make copies. That's what I get out of it. But it looks like there's a nurse. This was a little boy playing baseball, a catcher mitt. A little boy brushing his teeth. This little girl wouldn't stand by herself, so I put a little plastic around her feet, but she's that little girl with her arms up in the air. Put her over there by Grandma. Put the nurse over there too. This is a little boy with a baseball bat. He does not have his bat. A baby that's crawling. This is that little boy that's got blocks by his feet. And I had this when I was little. A piece just like that. So I was really glad to get that again. That will live in my, the Mark's Dollhouse I have. That's like the one when I was young. Well, it is the one I had when I was young. But when I was little, I always thought maybe there was something wrong with his foot, that he had to have those blocks to help him stand up. But now I see it's just toys, like he's dragging toys with him. It does help him stand up, though. But if you turn him around, look at there. It's so cute. Let's see what else. The little girl that kneels looks like she should be like next to a pond or a swimming pool. And a little boy that looks like he's, or a child looks like they're playing in the dirt. And one more. A little girl with a hat, holding under her hat. So I couldn't resist those. They said they were recast or remolded or something like that. So I don't know if they were, I don't think they're 3D printed. I think somehow they had a mold and were able to make those. But they weren't very expensive, and I couldn't resist them because of the nostalgia factor. And I kind of wanted that nurse because she's got to help out over in the nursery anyway. All right. This box I got at our last Saturday sale, and as always, it was mailed promptly, and I'm just slow about getting it open because I've been, you know what, busy with stuff. So let's see. Of course, it's packed very, very well. And of course, I usually can't even remember everything I bought. So let's take a look at the stuff. Oh, love it. This, you know, I fell in love with it when she showed it to us. She said, how am I going to get that paint off? Well, we tossed around some ideas, you know, and finally I ended up with it. It was free for the postage, and I'm tickled to get it. So we will see if we can get the rest of that paint off of there, or does he need to have a little little touch up? We'll see. We'll see what we'll do. But I love that piece. I fell in love with it when she had a picture of it out there. Let's see what else we've got here. So many cute little things. Everything was so well wrapped. Here we've got two little tiny lemon glasses of lemonade. Grandma's already got her eyes on those. She is going to use those on her, probably her patio or maybe her table. Of course, a little pitcher of lemonade to go with it. She loves it. Two little tiny red books. Some very cute little food items, including a fried egg. Some more food items with another egg in there. Here's an adorable little cat, and a little chair for the cat, and a little table. Grandma does have one cat, but she really likes them. But you know, we're going to have a schoolroom or a classroom, and I just think this cat is going to end up in our classroom. Oh, a little bathroom sink. Oh, well, I imagine Grandma and Handyman Joe might use this to celebrate, like maybe their 1 week wedding anniversary. As you know, they tied the knot the other day. They eloped. It was a surprise to their whole family. And one more thing, another little bathroom sink. Yay, love it all. Thank you so much. I just love our Saturday sales. Okay, I've got another box I want to show you. I had to get all those little tiny things tucked away. I'm always afraid I'll lose one or throw something away, so I had to get that stuff organized. Okay, this box, just a little bit bigger box. And this box has got a little story with it. I told you I've got 2 big boxes. Well, this came in addition to one of the big boxes I got. And, you know, you might not be surprised to know a big box is going to have a dollhouse in it. Well, that same lady had this box of furniture, and she packed it up separately for me. And look at, she has done a wonderful job. She doesn't have a lot of bubble wrap in there. But look at that box she has, how it's compartmentalized so all that stuff didn't rattle around and get hurt in there. Now she and I corresponded quite a little bit about this furniture and so on. All right, there's some little clips. I'm not sure. I presume that goes to the house. I don't know. Oh, okay. Here's some of the pieces to the house. The little loose pieces. She did do a nice job of packing. Like I said, there's not a lot of bubble wrap. Look at there. The door and the window are actually separate already. I always kind of worry about that stuff. There's the actual door. I see the chimney down in here. Get him out. She and I did a lot of corresponding about this house. The way I understand it, she came from a fairly large family. I don't remember how many children there were, 5 or 6 kids. And this was kind of their childhood toy, but they weren't allowed to play with it. Being it was fragile and there were a lot of them, they only were able to take it down for special occasions to play with it. So stuff is in really good condition, especially considering that it came from a large family. But the mom wanted to make sure that stuff was taken care of. So it had, I think, some good memories for her, but she was ready to pass it on, and I was just beyond thrilled that she agreed to sell it to me. So here's this cute, cute furniture. I think this is, well, I believe the house is a Wolverine, so this is probably the stuff that came with the Wolverine. Looks like it's original. I can tell you so far the furniture is all in excellent, excellent shape. Perfect, perfect shape. Exactly like she said, that they apparently were not allowed to play with it, which is a little unfortunate. But you know, it's survived. Maybe it wouldn't have survived if they'd all got to, you know, I know how kids are. I know how I was when I was a kid. I just had one sister, but we were, you know, we could be a little destructive on stuff. Anyway, I am thrilled and I am honored to have this stuff. And we're going to open up the house next. Let's get the rest of this furniture out so you can see what it looks like. Then we're going to open up the house. That's the headboard for the bed. I don't think I have any of beds that are like that, of that style. Super cute. And it's so fun to add something to my collection that I don't already have. Because, well, you know, I am getting to have a pretty good sized collection. Look, a table. It's got all its legs. Wow, what a treat. A mirror. I'm not sure if that goes on one of the dressers. Probably. The toilet. Another headboard. This is looks like one of those woven ones. Another chair. I am thrilled with the stuff. I don't think she is in our group, but I might invite her because she was such a sweet lady. All right, let me get the house out here. 1 minute. Okay, I'm going to show you how she put it in the box here. Kind of a creative box wrapping here. But, you know, I feel like the house is in there pretty sturdy, even though the box is not real square. I feel like it's in there pretty sturdy. Let's open it up and look at the piece. Okay, I've spent several minutes here cutting this open. She had some excellent packing tape on there. I don't know what brand that is, but that packing tape was difficult to even cut through. It was no wonder that this box stayed together so well. That tape was excellent. All right, let's take a look. Now, this house fascinated me because I did not recognize it from the picture she had, and I've been super, super curious to get it here and take a look at it. It has... look, it has the awning over for the one end of the house over the patio, and that awning is it is plastic, But look at those cute graphics. Now, it's funny because I had not really heard of this house. It is made by Wolverine. But now since then, since I've been watching our group, somebody posted recently and talked about this house. Look at that. Those graphics, there's like little birds in the tree. But I was not familiar with this house. And so it really, really intrigued me by the pictures. And of course, you know, when she posted it, she already had it apart. So in her pictures, it was a little hard to see some of the graphics. A really cute roof. It's in very nice shape. So far, I've seen little to no rust. If anything, just maybe, gosh, I don't know if there's even any rust. But I was just super intrigued by the graphics on this pretty, pretty house. That's the outside. There, now you can see, because somebody talked about this recently, about the house that's got the fish on the wall in the bathroom, and this is it. So I was super, super intrigued to get that. Now, I presume all the pieces are here. We'll have to, you know, clean it up and go through it and make sure, but it looks like everything is here. This is the bathroom. This is one of the bathrooms that has the ceiling on it. So when I bend it in half, that will be the ceiling to the bathroom. Again, I'm not seeing any rust or any other kind of damage. Oh, look, it has these outside lights on it, and they're both still there. This window's in. This one is the big bay window, which was separate. It was in the box with the furniture. Fancy curtains. Nice artwork. Just a little bit. I think that's just a little dirt up here. Down here, there is just a little tiny bit of rust. You know, I'm not real concerned about that, especially being on the edge and on the bottom like that. We'll be getting that touched up in no time. These are the floors. This must be the patio. So I would presume this is the bathroom. Maybe this is a bedroom. It's going to go that way. One more piece. This is the ground floor, and this would be at the far back of the living room. There's just a little bit of rust there, a little bit of rust here, there in the kitchen, and just a little bit at the very far back. That is going to be a beautiful house. I am just beyond thrilled to have that, and so appreciative that she entrusted that to me. I am just thrilled to get that house. So I've got one more box to open. Now that was a Wolverine, and you know, I've never taken one apart or put one together before, so that is going to be a learning experience for me. It looks like it had those little metal clips that were packed in with the furniture. So we'll have to see if we can figure that out or not. So, but this is going to be one more house, and I can't believe I bought another house, but I did. And this one's wrapped a little more traditionally, but this person had an advantage because for the very first time ever, this house is still in its original box. For my very first time ever, I am buying a house that's never been assembled, still in the original box. And so I am excited. So I don't know. We'll see what we're going to do with it. It's a Wolverine. It's a town and country dollhouse. But so it should have, you know, it should have all the parts should be in there. It's never been opened. I can see it's got one of those big metal clips down here on the bottom. One of those giant copper or brass looking staples that's got to come out of there. Now I have a history of not opening stuff, so I don't know if I'll open it or not. I don't know. I probably will. We'll just have to see. I am super thrilled to have this beautiful house, and like I said, the first time ever that I've got one that's mint, never been opened in the original box. And there's a picture of what's in it, the house and the graphics. And it is similar, or in fact, I think it's identical to another Wolverine that I already have. But look, it's got all the furniture in it. So I don't know. It's just, it's super, super fun to have it. Now, I don't know. It looks like usually they could have that red plastic chimney. This looks like it's got a different kind of chimney on it. I don't know for sure. But it should all be there. It says right there. Adult assembly required. Screwdriver needed. Looks like a project. Well, we'll have to see how that goes. But those are my purchases. So I'm going to try not to buy any more houses until, for a while. But you never know. So keep tuned and come on back and see what I get tempted with. Thank you for joining me on my box opening today. I am in love with everything I got. This house is just beautiful, but I don't know. I'm still debating on what we're going to do. Can I open it or not? But look what I see here. I'm like, uh-oh. Let me zoom in close. Uh-oh. What's that say? For ages 8 to 12. Uh-oh. I'm not sure I fall in that age bracket. Whatever am I to do about that? Anyway, thanks for joining me. It's been a lot of fun opening these packages tonight.